2021 saw a life-changing run for Shiba Inu, and then they expanded the ecosystem, and now there's a life-changing run possibly coming. Or was there a life-changing run for a lot of people just a few days ago and you missed it? Or maybe it just started a couple days ago and there's still plenty of time because there's a lot of movement left on this chart. We're going to check it out real quick. You guys can decide for yourself because I am not a financial advisor, but hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. Make sure that you leave a comment down below to let people know that you are part of the SHIB army or that you're just SHIB curious. You know what I mean? Let's get into it. Here we go. Lucy made an announcement. It says the important announcement for leash holders, calling all leash holders, join Shibarium Tech Discord, connect your wallet using Collabland to obtain the crucial leash basic or leash basic role. It must have for upcoming activities. Remember, you need at least one leash to qualify. Thank you for your cooperation. And guys, that's on you. What happened when that announcement came out? Remember, this is where we were just not that long ago, trading at about $248. If you came in around this time, this is the time I'm telling you this is your buy zone, right? Guess what happens? Runs up to $600. Not that 731 that we see up there. $600. It's a 130% increase. Then it summarily came down here, bounced off the 200 SMA, and then rocketed back up to 482. Look at the life-changing ability to make capital on this play if you are following the signals and you are doing what you need to do. These are gigantic swings that are happening right now, up 2.5% on the day. Look at this hammer of a wick on the daily. That generally means that there is some big upside potential. And guys, I don't have to tell you this. You come down here and you find a big hammer here and you see moves to the upside. You see the hammers. They usually mean positive moves towards the upside. Could it retrace during the day? It could retrace during the day, or it continue going up if it looks like an even bigger. This is going to be a massive move potentially. Now, what's going on at Bone? I told you guys it's 70 cents. If you don't follow me, that's your fault, but I told you it's 70 cents, that this is the buy zone. This is the moment where you're going to accumulate, and then it's going to go on that rocket ride. And if you got into that rocket ride, then boom. You went all the way up to $1.51 before retracing back down to where I told you to buy back in again. Remember, I told you to sell near the top. Now, we found the top a little bit less than I thought. I thought 161 was going to be up there at the top, but 151 is pretty close, right? So once you started to see these wicks right here, then it was time to sell, right? Because you're not selling the top over here, but you sell around 140, let's call it, right? Then you come back in here at 115, 118. You make the move again. You go up to $145 one more time. Like, guys, this is easy money if you're just playing this chart the right way. I want to point out here that we are moving like this right here, and I'm using the settlements, not the entire wicks right there. I know that, but the other part to it is we're also wedging into this again. It looks like there's another breakout that's imminent on this chart, and I really get the feeling that there is one more. What I would do, though, if you are making a play, by the way, on Bone, I would think maybe you're going to get one more test on this 200 SMA. As you can see, it's like moving through this green area right here, coming up into 118. So I think you get one more test on 118, and then it's off to the races. So if you got in down here, kudos to you. Also on SHIB. Guys, I make no bones about this. There is a rocket ride potentially happening on SHIB in the buildup, in the FOMO, leading into what's going to be the launch of the year at Shibarium. So, guys, if you haven't already, at least consider doing your own research on this and checking this out and seeing if you agree with me on what I'm saying right here. But look, I'm telling you right now that this move is going up here, probably to 4.015 or thereabout. Now, this is a muted market, so it could be that we kind of wick a little bit closer to 17, or I'm sorry, a little bit closer to 13 in this little kind of range-bound area right here at the top of this little party that we had back here. So it's very possible that that happens. I don't want to promise because I'm not a financial advisor, a 15. So, but that's where we are. And then in closing, we got an announcement from Shytoshi. Security side note, in my opinion, don't ever buy a cold wallet from anyone except the certified manufacturer directly. And look, there's a lot of people getting scammed online from resellers right now. So be very, very careful with what you do with your money. Your money is so important. important, and you need to save as much capital as you possibly can. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave a comment down below. Hit the bell to be notified. I do a couple videos every day. You might like some of it. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very